Well, hey there, everybody. This man Mountain Link here, trying something a little different. We're going to do a what sold video, retail arbitrage edition. First up, from my local scratch and dent grocery store, we got these Whirly insulated drink mugs. I bought 7 of them at $1.99 a piece. I've sold 3. I'm getting $12.99 a piece plus shipping. They ship in a giant poly mailer, or bubble mailer, and you wrap it over so there's about 3 layers of bubbles so you won't get hurt. Next item up, wait a minute. Next item is from Walgreens. It's one of these little toys from the last couple of videos. I think I paid $4.99 for that, and it sold for $10.95 plus shipping within 24 hours of being listed. Next item is some of these tie racks from Dollar General store. One customer bought 2, went to Honolulu, Hawaii, and one customer bought 1. I'm getting $5 and something, what, $5.86? I can't see the screen. $5.89 a piece, I believe is what that says, plus shipping on top. Next item up for bids. This is the Ortho Weed Be Gone. Alright, this is a story here. Right before I started doing YouTube, I bought 104 bottles of Ortho Weed Be Gone and 34 bottles of Scott's Weed and Feed and like 4 bottles of Miracle Grow. I believe it was Miracle Grow. Sold, I made them, I used lots of 2. I sold them in lots of 2. I got $32 per lot of 2 for the Scott's. I got like $38 for the Miracle Grow, and I'm only getting $28.95 for these Ortho Weed Be Gone, which is still more than they sell for in the store. But I had 50. I bought 104. I made 50 pair. That left 4 extra to use around the house to give away, or in case one leaked or got damaged. So I had 50 pair. I have 27 pair left. Shipping them cubic shipping. The shipping costs between $9 and $12.50 per box, depending on where it's going. And the packaging, the vacuum bags, and the special absorbent material that you have to use cost as much as the product did. So I have $5 invested, counting the cost of the product and the cost of the packaging. And then the shipping is going to be $9 to $11 on top of that. But still, very profitable. Really was questioning my sanity when I made that purchase. Not real thrilled on liquids. The next purchase was at the Dollar World down in Mississippi. These were cigarette cases. I listed them as cigarette cases / clamshell wallets. While I was down there, I checked to see if a credit card, driver's license, and all would fit in there, and they do. So I'm selling them as wallets. I don't know if my idea is successful or not, but so far one person has bought 4. She bought 2 for $8 a piece for free shipping on an offer, and she bought 2 for $8.99 a piece free shipping straight up. I shipped all 4 of them together. They shipped under the 12-ounce rate. Next item up is Walgreens Clearance. It's a tie-dye kit. They were $1.99 a piece. I've been selling sets of 2 for $11.99 with shipping on top. This is the second set I've sold. I have 1 set left. Next item up is also Walgreens Clearance. Just picked them up, as a matter of fact. These are Lego Bernie the Spaceman, I believe is what it says. I've sold 2 of 3 that I bought. I'm getting $12.95 a piece plus shipping on top. They cost $4.95 or $4.99 a piece. Here's another one of these whirly mugs. I don't know why. We'll just skip past it. Next item up is the vintage Luxe Minute Minder. I bought these at the Selmer hardware store. They were new old stock in the clearance bin for $1. I bought 7 of them. I have 3 left. I am getting $29.95 plus $3.99 shipping on top, people. For each one of these, you can sell them used for $9 to $10. I had all different colors. I had black, white, almond, and blue. The black sold immediately, then the white, then the almond, and I still have 3 blue left. I don't know why the blue didn't sell. I took new pictures they look kind of dull, so I took new pictures to make it look more vibrant. I would have bought the blue. I don't know. Anyway, next item is Naval Jelly. This stuff doesn't work worth the flip, but I sold it anyway. Bought it at Walmart on clearance, $1.50 a bottle. 3 bottles, sold for $23.95. I paid the shipping in a priority flat rate envelope for $7.52. Don't give me no static on shipping liquids priority. Next item I would never buy again. It was a bunch of universal windshield blinds. I got them for $3 a piece. I bought 3 or 4 boxes. I sold all the Minions first, then all the Volkswagens, and the Chevys and the Fords have just taken forever to sell. I did manage to sell 2 this month. I got $10 a piece plus shipping on top. It ends up taking 2 52-cent bubble envelopes, and you got to cut up a piece of cardboard to act as a stiffener and stamp "Do Not Bend" all over it and just pray it gets there. But I'm making probably $5. Next item, please. Next item is some Hewlett Packard Ink. You was with me when I bought it for $4.99 at the Scratch and Dent store. It sold within 24 hours of listing for $20 plus shipping. Next item is a Walgreens purchase. I bought, I believe, 4 of these spray nozzles. They had horrible reviews. Nobody liked them. But I sold 3 of them within a week. One person bought 2 for $19 plus shipping. One person bought 1 for $10 plus shipping. Next item is also a Walgreens purchase. This one out of the country. It's 4 boxes of Starburst drink mix. Just pour it in a bottle of water. 4 boxes sold for $10 with shipping on top. I have $1 in each box, so not a lot of money there, but little bit. Next item up, I got from Walmart. I believe these were $1 or $1.50 a piece. I sold a lot of 3 for $18.27 with free shipping. I believe I put these in a priority flat rate envelope for $7.52. I also vacuum sealed them. Vacuum seal all the liquids, people. It's a $250 fine if you don't. Next item came from Dollar Tree. I sold a lot of 3 for $10 with shipping on top. Also, priority flat rate envelope. I do not suggest you buy these. I would not buy them again. if I was going to buy them, if you do stumble across them, the only scent I would get is Pardon My Pet. That seems to be the most popular one. The rest of them are a hard sell. Next item up is a Minnie Mouse bubble fan. Got this right here lately at the Walgreens summer clearance. Bought it for $1.99. Sold it within 24 hours of listing it for $10 plus shipping on top. Next item is a My Little Pony doll. I believe this is Pinkie Pie. Can't read it from here. But bought this doll for $4.99. Sold it within a week for $12.99 with shipping on top. Next item up is a Hyper Tough floodlight bulb holder. I've been selling these in lots of 2 for $15. I believe I had 8 total, so that's 4 lots of 2. $15 a piece, free shipping, and they ship for under £1. Next item up is Monkey and Friends green frog. I forget the frog's name. I bought them down in Mississippi at the Dollar World. This is a dog toy. It sold for $7.99 plus shipping on top. Cost me $1. Next item up is some rat traps. Some of the most inhumane rat traps I've ever seen. I took my money anyway. I bought 6 of these rat traps for $1.50 a piece. Walmart clearance last fall. It's taken me till now to sell them all, but I have sold them all. I got $20 for each lot of 2 with free shipping. 2 of them weigh 15 ounces, which is why I sold them in lots of 2. Next item up is crud cutter. I've sold 3 bottles. I only bought 3 bottles. They cost $1.50 a bottle. I sold them for $10.89 a bottle. They ship for the 4-ounce rate of $2.78. Next item up, I bought 2 pair of shoes. I actually bought 3 pair, but I've only sold 2. They cost $5 a pair at Walmart. The brown pair sold for $15.29 with shipping on top. The black pair sold for $17.58 with shipping on top. I still have 1 pair to go. The trick with these is don't sell them with the box. If you try to ship them in the original box, it costs way too much. Put them in a regular box if you can get it in a 6x6x12. If they end up going like California or New York or somewhere far away from you, you can go over and check pirate ship and get a cubic rate. They might ship them a little bit cheaper. This winds up this video. I'm not sure, we're at almost 15 minutes. So I appreciate you sticking through it. Let me know what you think. Do you prefer this type of video, or do you prefer the 2-minute video where I just line them all up and put some kind of music to it? Anyway, I appreciate it. Man Mountain Link, over and out.
Oh man, that was it wasn't even a good effort.